Hi, I'm Masoud Payinda. I'm the co-founder of Padu. Padu is a print-on-demand shop that offers wall art. We use Shopify as our system, and the experience with APPWRK IT Solutions was very good. We are really happy to work with them, and the collaboration was structured, the implementation was very fast, and they actually helped us more than we had actually agreed on. For this reason alone, I would give them 5 stars, and of course I would recommend them to others and continue working with them in the future.